In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo. If you're new to Klaviyo or just looking to streamline your email sign-up process, you might find the default double opt-in setting a bit cumbersome. While double opt-in can be great for ensuring that the email addresses you collect are valid and that your subscribers truly want to hear from you, there are situations where a single opt-in might be preferable. Maybe you're looking to simplify the subscription process for your audience, or you're confident in the quality of your leads. Whatever your reason, I'll show you the easiest way to make this change. First, let's navigate to the key area where we'll make this adjustment. Start by heading over to the left menu in your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Audience, which is the hub for all your subscriber lists. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Lists and Segments. This is where all your lists are housed, and from here, you can manage different groups of subscribers. Once you're in the Lists and Segments section, find and select the target list you want to adjust. This is the specific list for which you want to turn off the double opt-in feature. Clicking on the list will take you to a new page where you'll see several tabs at the top. Next, you'll want to click on the Settings tab. This tab is where you can find all the detailed configurations for your list. It's important to navigate carefully here because this is where you'll make the crucial changes to your opt-in settings. After opening the Settings tab, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Look for the option labeled Consent. This section is pivotal, as it governs how users subscribe to your list and the permissions they grant. Under the Opt-in Settings section, you'll find a checkbox for Single Opt-in. This is the option you need to select to disable the double opt-in process. By choosing Single Opt-in, subscribers who sign up for your list will be added immediately without needing to confirm their subscription via an additional email. Finally, after making this change, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. Saving ensures that your new settings are applied and that the opt-in process for your list is now streamlined. Without saving, all the previous steps will be in vain, so make sure to confirm that your changes are locked in. And that's it! You've successfully turned off the double opt-in feature for your chosen list in Klaviyo. With single opt-in now enabled, your subscribers will have a smoother and more immediate experience when joining your list. Remember, while single opt-in can boost your subscriber numbers quickly, it's essential to maintain good email practices to ensure high engagement and low bounce rates. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your email marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.